Have you ever wondered why companies are treated like real people in the eyes of law? Why a business owner can say, the company did it, not me? It all started with a shoemaker and a dispute. Let's break down one of the most fundamental cases in corporate law, Salmon versus Salomon and Co. Limited, in a way that is simple, engaging, and deeply educational. Let's travel back to 1892 in England. Mr. Aaron Salmon was a leather boot and shoe manufacturer, a sole trader. He decided to incorporate his business as a limited company under the Companies Act 1862, naming it Salmon and Co. Limited. He sold already he sold his already existing business to this new company for 39,000 euros, taking 10,000 euros in debentures, secured loan, 20,000 euros in shares, and the remaining in cash. The company had 7 shareholders, Salman, his wife, and 5 children, just to fulfill the legal requirement of a minimum number of members. Shortly after incorporation, the company went into financial trouble and eventually collapsed. When liquidation began, the company's creditors were furious. They realized that Mr. Salman had given himself priority as a secured creditor through debentures, while unsecured creditors were left with nothing. The liquidators sued Salman personally, arguing that the company was a sham, just a facade for Mr. Salman himself. Was Salman and Co. Limited a separate legal entity? Was Mr. Salman personally liable for the company's debts? Can the corporate veil be lifted in this case? The House of Lords unanimously ruled in Salman's favor. The court held the company, once incorporated, is a separate legal person from its shareholders, even if one person holds most of the shares. Lord Macnaghten famously said, the company is at law a different person altogether from the subscribers to the memorandum. This case established the separate legal entity doctrine in company law. Salman, though the sole effective owner, could not be held personally liable for the company's debts. This case laid the foundation for modern corporate law, introduced the principle of limited liability, a shield for shareholders, reinforced the corporate veil, the legal separation between the company and its members. It is cited across jurisdictions, India, UK, US, as a bedrock principle. Though foundational, the case has faced criticism for allowing potential abuse. Companies could be formed to evade liability or commit fraud. Led to courts evolving the idea of lifting or piercing the corporate veil in cases like Guildford Motor Co. versus Horn and Delhi Development Authority versus Kibra Construction. In India, Section 339 of the Companies Act 2013 now allows courts to hold directors personally liable for fraudulent conduct during winding up. This case isn't just theory. Every time a business fails and creditors try to go after the owners, Salman versus Salman is at the heart of the legal debate. Even in today's startup and MSME world, understanding this case helps founders and law students grasp how incorporation protects and sometimes doesn't protect personal assets. Salman versus Salman teaches us that a company is like a newborn, with its own rights, liabilities, and identity. But with great power comes great responsibility. This case is not just about a man and his shoe business, it's about how we understand the very soul of a company in law. Remember, always cite this case when understanding separate legal entity, limited liability, or corporate veil. It's the ABC of corporate law cases. Thank you for watching fully. If you want any other video recommendations, you can comment down below. Thank you for watching fully.